New in Simcenter Femap 2301 is a feature called computed vectors. Computed vectors serves to get the analyst the additional output that may not be calculated by a solver. At the top level, there are two different options, specifying two different methods. The automatic side will compute any selected vector when analysis is solved or results are imported. Compute now serves to calculate the selected vectors at any given time thereafter. This may be helpful if changing material limits. The automatic side will be saved at a per model basis, meaning it will persist if the model is saved and closed. Computed vector libraries can also be saved and set for startup, so when a new model is created, these vectors will already be selected. These computed vectors include beam bar von Mises stress, plate and solid failure theory, which calculate a factor of safety and margin of safety based off of things like max von Mises or max shear, also known as Tresca, laminate failure theories, including Hill, Hoffman, Cy Wu, and max strain, and also a select number of enveloping options to help identify worst-case output data. On top of this, specific user-defined vectors can be set to follow the same rules as what was previously just mentioned. So let's work through one of these. I'm going to select von Mises stress for beam and bars. I'm also going to select two of the plate solid failure theories, both von Mises and Tresca. And then I'm going to run my analysis. The analysis has solved. And now I will see in my output vectors, I can show these newly created computed vectors, like the beam bar max von Mises stress, and also the factor and margin of safeties for plate and solid. Now let's say I wanted to recalculate my factor and margin of safety based on yield stress. I can come into the materials, reset those limits, go back into computed vectors, switch to now an existing output sets, and recalculate those factors and margin of safety. So as you can see from doing that, my worst factor of safety has dropped slightly.